All right, y'all, just a little quick look at the backyard. This is day 3 of the snow. That's really ice. You see, we ain't made no snowman this year, but it's hard as a brick.
Look at it. And I'm gonna hit build a 200 some pounds. Look at it. I ain't feeling it yet.
Yeah, but you can hear it. You hear it? The fire pit almost covered up.
Y'all, but check this out though, y'all. Why we still got green grass?
Well, you gotta look at how much food this backyard done got over the course of 4.5 years. Okay, yep, y'all. So this is the first official video on Miss Love Garden channel that I'm gonna put out. I'm gonna put it out today. We have so much to talk about that's done went on in the past year of us not posting back here, but we'll get to that. Woo! I just sunk down so much to tell you guys. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of what's going on in our backyard. Peace and blessings. I'm finna see if y'all can hear what it sound like when I walk in the backyard. And I'm not sinking. No footprints barely. This is just thick inches of ice. Thick inches of ice. It's a hill of snow. Look how high it is up on the greenhouse, y'all. I ain't finna walk up on it. Well, FedEx back to work. FedEx said get to work or everybody fired. Yeah, it broke.
You got it. You can do it.
I ain't finna. Whew.
No, they just hard. You gonna put all those wood chips
Oh, that's a big piece. That's a big piece.
I think that.
We want to open up the greenhouse for y'all, but we ain't gonna be able to do it. Y'all have to stay tuned for videos to see what the greenhouse looking like. Not trying to remove all the ice, because it do insulate pretty well, but I'm not trying to block that sunshine. The sun is bright today on day 3 of snowing. And them babies need all the sun they can get in there. All this snow. Look, you can't even step on it. Ain't nothing but ice. All right, family.